Katrat Arts and Culture jong ke Jila Meghalaya ha ke jinge trailang bat ka MTB Skill Forge Mumbai ne ke sngi kala penlong ya ke jingai jinghikai ka ba shisngi ne ka one day music education workshop and master class na ka banta ki nong hikai bat ki samla pule ha ka piano guitar bat ka sur ha ka black box theater Lariti mau ka siang ha ga ni ka sngi ba karpang layo ya ke jinghikai na ukal Lutchmayer udkhot jongka MTB Skill Forge hakaba kinong hikai bat ki khna puli na ki jaka ai jing hikai hakaput katem kilawan bane sim banta hagani ksngi bakarpang la don langru da uba pol lengdo menteri bedai pet ya katanat arts and culture kum ukong san bad uba FR kharkongor principal secretary katanat arts and culture kum usambut kong san hagani ksngi la yoru ban snga be kjintem jongukal Lutchmayer bat kjingrwai na ki wedi ki kenhun ki balawan ban yasim banta.
Very happy basically. This got a lot of lessons, a lot of I've learned so many things from Sir. Basically, I've learned very much, like especially the digital incorporation with the traditional way of teaching. I've learned a lot about how, the moods and all that, how to play them carefully and all that. And I'm very happy. And I guess all of the teachers and students also very much got a lot from our sir. And thank you so much, sir. Once again, thank you for the MTV skill. Thank you so much for coming to Shillong. And yeah. And yes, thank you so much once again from Professor Karl. And yeah, I hope that all of us together, like teachers and students, especially the teachers, when we go back to our respective schools, will be able to implement all the knowledge that we got from here, especially from Sir. And we'll pass on all what we've learned today to our students. And yeah.
Around the world, and to find a government that is invested, interested and adores music is wonderful. So it is wonderful to see the Chief Minister and the Director here. Thank you for joining us. I will play, as I promised, a short programme. I've called it Night Visions because it's different scenes from night music. And of course, the night is a moment or a place of fear, and it's a place of comfort, and it's a place of imagination and horror and all of these things, and sometimes of restfulness. And I'm just going to explore in the Western tradition a few of those nighttime or liminal spaces where the words vanish and the sounds come and the thoughts sometimes evaporate. And I'm going to start with a little bit of Brahms. Brahms actually retired from composition at around the age of 60. He said, I've done all, I think it was 58, and I've done all that I wanted to do. And at that point, suddenly the dam opened, or the well gushed forth, and he carried on writing. He hadn't meant to, but he just kept finding pieces that he wanted to write. And so I'm just going to play one of those. It's an intermezzo. It's really a lullaby. And it's so fascinating, and I myself am a bachelor. Brahms was a bachelor, and never had children. And the idea that here is a man writing a lullaby for a child he never had, and for a family he didn't have. And he himself says, it's a lullaby, but maybe it's for someone who didn't have children, or maybe someone who is sad later in life. But a lullaby is this gentle, lilting evening music. So I will play you a lullaby, Opus 117, number 1, by Brahms.
To the abode of clouds, where music takes us from the clouds to cloud 9 all the time. And We'd like to see that such interactive sessions flourish. We are, as most of you would have learned by now, Shillong is India's music capital, a fame that we would like to thrive and flourish further. And I'm sure that, as I had said to Lina earlier on, most of us learned music by the ear. But now, since the sky is the limit, we would like to explore the possibility of giving the best possible professional guidance to our composers, our instructors, our music teachers, because this state has a wealth class, and I assure you of the continued support of the state government, which, as Professor Karl had remarked earlier on, there has been a dwindling interest of government and government institutions in patronizing the arts. But here in Shillong, in the state of Meghalaya, this scenario is just the reverse. We are promoting our local musicians, and today they have not only gone global, but have been able to carve a niche for themselves very often. I thank you, Professor, and your entire team, and I wish that we will be able to sustain this effort in order to bring out the best in our young budding artists, and also we hope to see you more often. And yes, there's nothing like fusing the best that we have traditionally with what the rest of the world has. Thank you. God bless. Jai Hind.